Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the latest quote-unquote Don, right, to get killed. It wasn't by the security forces. It's actually somebody with their own him. I'm going to talk about how the balance of popular Don who people in the community are blind to his murderous ways, and evil monster who people glad to get rid of. It's actually a very thin line. See, the residents of the community, whenever the Don is in good standing with them, because as no matter how bad you want to be, no matter how much of a Don you want to be, you need the residents them on your side. This is why the whole part treat them get put on. This is why them bring them artist friend on the block, make people smile and take picture. The residents them are key. Once them start turning against you, the clock is ticking. And itchy pong clock a tick long time. You see, in the start we issue out a whole heap of beatings and all kind of things. People that say might get a bit overzealous. Still are these supporters, but not as much as back in the day. Right now, itchy pong is the let me say quote unquote Don for top jungle. Right, them not really turn upon them really like that. One of the people them who itchy pong, let me say all kind of beatings like get others beat him. Right. One of the beatings them go down and the word of itchy pong was Willie Agard's son. Enough people never liked that one day. You know the history. Willie Agard, a jungle already. I know Agard, ironically, was similar to itchy pong, who wouldn't itch to distribute a beating, and that pun was intended. But Agard did have Agard did have more popularity than itchy pong. I must say at the height of Black Roses, they were basically like a entertainment group. Even though there were gang members, Don and gunman and all kind of people there, 87 up on the corner. But because of the music link, by them time them and Beanie Man, Bar and the Shocking Vibes crew and them did have a bit more popularity. So I did get away with enough things because of the fact that he was so he's one of them larger than life type of figure that bag of money and put on big dance, and so even though enough people never like certain things that I got going with, at the same time enough people like the vibes and where Black Roses man them used to bring. So I got that these people would whisper similar like certain things I'm going with. But I got definitely had a lot of supporters. Itchy Pong, even never have the Black Roses crew. He wasn't that popular. He was just a typical 87 turned quote unquote Don. So when him started keep up the foolishness, let's just say it was easier for people to turn on him. Now the youth are actually under pressure right now, kind of guarding at the streets. By the time the body drop, people know who in the community. When we first hear the name, we have to double check. Because I said Bobo. Well, Bobo is a youth with their own itchy pong. Ironically, itchy pong actually stopped a youth from killing Bobo. That youth is dead now. Kadula. And they don't want to kill Bobo. Itchy pong say, don't bother with that. And now, Bobo number one suspect for killing Ichipang. At them disagreements, you see, the way Bobo talk to Ichipang is like Ichipang decides say him not gonna tolerate that. Because as me say, people are go to him now and say, oh, you can't go on certain things, you can't go on certain things. And Ichipang is a man and they really don't have take the talk from nobody. Right, and them have them disagreement. It look like Bobo here say Ichipang will circle him and decide say he might go make a preemptive strike. So Ichipang dead. If Ichipang never dead, probably Bobo would have dead. But the fact said Ichipang dead and the place, right, so relatively quiet, show you say Ichipang was losing support from the people. Because if you kill a popular Don, for any reason, no matter where him could have one knife about to plunge in your neck. If you kill him, and the Don is at the height of his popularity, that the community there are turned upside down. And there is no place in the area, man. You can hide, and you have to go hide. Every single relative, all you pet them, you have to go hide. Based on the reaction so far, right, Ichipang did lose support from enough of the people. People are whisper quietly, say them glad to see him gone. They say, getting a bit overzealous and certain beatings them go on with. Right. People never like that. It's a man way. When certain things go on, tell you, say, put out your foot and they'll shot you night. But Dodos, them used to do that. West Kingston used to do that. But again, we are showing the delicate balance of how Dan life work. Where Willie Agarth and Dodos get where we do. Right. Ichipang never really get where with it so because Dodos, Zeeks, Jim Brown, Kesha, right. Them type of 90 acting they have a whole heap of clout. Because the whole beat man and broke up man and shot man and footing happen all over the place. And say guard man in that regular, trans man in that regular. All 87 get beaten. In case you don't know, 87 get beaten from other 87 for them going certain things. Right. But Ichipang was losing support from the people them. Still have him support as them. As you can see from the reaction to his death, not as much. Now Bobo's still in trouble. Right, because Top Drum gonna really, kill Dan like that so easy. But we still want to him right now. Right. Let's just say he's laying low. But Ichipang, now that him dead, it is possible that the people who were still in support of Ichipang and Fame Boys them, right, are going to quote unquote make back a dopey. Right, and then the man are going to make back a dopey. And then it turned now a dopey show. Because what happens when the 87s and the 90s stay on the streets long enough? They get killed. When they get killed by a crony or an enemy, it triggers retaliation. And that retaliation triggers retaliation. And the murder spike. So failure to remove the Dons and remove the 87s. Right. Failure to neutralize, right, these criminal organizations and their members help keep Harriman on top of the murder rate charts. Notice every year it's around the same figure. Just look on Harriman, look on other countries' murder rates or murder stats, not the rate but the actual number. You will see. One year they might have 1,200. Next year they have 300. Next year they have 700. There's like huge fluctuations. But look on Harriman murder figure, the actual figure, and you will see it hovers around 1,300, 1,400 every year. it never dips to like 300. I never spike to like 4,000. We're not ready for breakdown badness, man, and gangs. We're not ready for breakdown crime and gang, you know. You've been brainwashed with this poverty cause murders for so long. That's right. We don't even see it in front of them. Right. I'm realizing no one experts them. Right. Them can tell the numbers and them can count. And they can even show the data, but they can't break down the data. They don't understand them look on. They don't understand why that is that and that is that. And the same conflict them. Same 87s them are the same crime, same gangs them fight the same war. And you end up right about the same number every year for murders. It's been almost 2 decades. And Ironman has not gone under 1,000 or gone over 2,000. No matter what happened. It's unusual. Normally spikes in every country. 5,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 to 500 to 400. Same war, same 87, same gang, same people. Man I did back for that money. Man did back for that money. And then, in all of that, you have like the domestic killings and the crime of passions and everything that robberies going wrong. And gang feuds, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But as long as 87 them stay on the road, as long as they done them on the road, somebody end up kill him. And somebody kill them, war over one. Another one gone. Patient squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.